Introducing the 2020 BMW 325i. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The 3 Series sedan delivers a unique blend of powerful performance, agile handling, and intelligent style. No wonder it's considered a legend among sports sedans. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to possess a motorsport legend. Get into the 3 Series sedan.